We're doing an oli and a hula noho for Queen Lili'uokalani. Our oli is in honor of Queen Lili'uokalani, Ike'ia Lili'uokalani. It talks about the signs in the heavens, the many different signs in the heavens that talk about her rank and the symbols that accompany her rank, the flashing of the heavens, the lightning, the sounds of the reverberations in the heavens that talk about Lili'uokalani and her right to be Queen of Hawaii. He mele la'ahia we're doing as a hula noho, a hula kilu, using the knee drum for Lili'uokalani. Talks about her being so sacred. I think this was probably around the time of the overthrow of the Hawaiian Kingdom, when many mele were being composed to honor Queen Lili'uokalani, to give her praises, to give her support as she was being imprisoned in Lili'uokalani Palace. So there are many mele that are in ulukau, that are in Hawaiian language newspapers, that are in the Bishop Museum archives, that for me is really important to bring back to this generation. Because if we leave it on the paper, we leave it in the archives, it doesn't live for another generation unless we give voice and we give movement to it. So it's really important for us to go back to the words of our kupuna, to bring those words forward to the future and then pass them on to future generations.